Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to log in with email and username in Laravel Bridge. So let's get started with the example. So if you go here, I already downloaded fresh Laravel, okay, and also set up the database over here. You can see that, and also install Laravel Bridge. So if you don't know, I already captured the video over here. If you scroll down, then you will find out that how to install. You can see that like authentication using the Laravel bridge. And so I already installed the Laravel bridge. You can see that login. And if you go here to the registration, okay, now what we will do, we will add new column like email, and then also we will add like username over here. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply go and simply go to the database migration. I will change to the existing. Okay, so I will say username. Okay, save it. Okay, and I will go and simply I will say php artisan migrate, and I will say rollback, and you can see that it's rollbacking. Okay, and sorry, and it I will say refresh. Okay, rollback all. Okay, let me run the migration. You can see that it's running, and if I go here and go to the refresh and go to the users, you can see that name, username. So username column is added over here with the email. Okay, now let me go, and first I need to update the resource. Okay, and go to the registration component. So I will say auth, and I will say register, and simply I will go and copy this. Okay, I will, and I will say email. So the email I will user name, and I will change it like username, and I will say type will be the text. Okay, simply save it. Okay, and if I go here and simply refresh it, okay, let me run it again. So I will say php artisan serve. Okay, and let me refresh it. Okay, you can see that there is a username added over here. Okay, so let me go here into the controller file. So there is already controller over here, and if I go to the auth, and there is a register, so I will quickly, I can simply copy it. Okay, and I will say username. Okay, and I will remove the email validation from here. So I will save it. Okay, and here I will be add username. Okay, and I will say username. So this is done for registration. So I will simply save it and register one user. I will say Hardik Savani, and I will say Savani HD, and Savani HD at the rate gmail.com, and I will say password over here. Okay, and simply 1234567 and hit register. You can see doesn't have a default value. I don't know. Okay, yeah. So if I go here into the model user, here I need to define username for the fillable. Save it. Okay, and let me continue it. You can see that it's registered with the Hardik Savani. If I go here and refresh, you can see that it's also stored the username. Now we need to do for the login. So if I go here and let me log out. Okay, and here if I click here, I need to add email with the username also, so we can allow them. So if I go to the registration, okay, so I will simply type will be text. Okay, and here I will be say logging for now. Okay, and I will simply text. Okay, and here I will be return email slash username. So user need whatever they want to add it. So if I refresh, you can see that email slash username. Okay, so user can add email address or username. Okay, now what we need to do, simply go here. Okay, and into the controller, so I will say simply authenticated session login request. So if I go to the request, here we need to change it. So I will simply say we add the login. So I will use the login. Okay, and email rules I will simply remove it. Okay, and here we need to write like login name, and I will say filter underscore where. Okay, and I will use this input, and input will be the login. So first we will check this is email, or first we will validate like email or the username. So I will say filter underscore validate underscore email. So if that is the email, then I will say column will be the email. Otherwise, I will say password. Okay. Sorry. Otherwise, I will say username. Username. Simply save it. Okay. Same thing. I will add like this and merge. I will simply merge it. Okay, and I will simply say login name. Okay, and I will simply add what we found over here. Okay, from the login, so I will simply add over here. Okay, save it. Okay, and here I will be used login name, so I will simply copy it. I'm not just directly give the email, so give the login name. Okay, email or username, and here I will be simply say login. Okay, simply save it. Okay, and let me try it. Okay, so I will say Savani HD, and I will try 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and hit login. You can see that I am logging with the username, and now let me log out and try with the email address. So simply go here, and I will say savani@gmail.com, and let me add 45679. Submit, and you can see that I am easily login with the email and login with the username. So I hope guys you understand how easily you can do it using the where filter and filter validate email. Okay, so I hope guys you understand this video, and if you like my video then please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching guys.